Tired of cleaning your home every single day? These 5 insane robot vacuum cleaners do the dirty work for you, while you're chilling, working, or even sleeping. From AI mapping to 6000 PA tornado suction, these bots are smarter than ever. Let's dive into the future of cleaning. Let's kick it off with the Lefant M320, a compact beast with 6000 pascals suction power. This cordless robot vacuum is your go-to for daily cleaning on hardwood floors, carpets, and pet hair messes. With an incredible 210-minute runtime, it can clean large homes in a single go, and when the battery's low, it automatically recharges itself. Battery. It vacuums and mops, so your floors look spotless with no double work. It's quiet, slim, and designed for real-world cleaning. If you're looking for a smart cleaner with powerful suction but no unnecessary fluff, this one's a winner for budget-conscious buyers. Next, the ABIR X6 brings tech to the floor. This model features visual navigation, which means it sees your room layout and moves with purpose, no random patterns. Eye and speech bubble. Set virtual barriers using the app to stop it from entering specific zones, like pet beds or kids' play areas. Its 6000 pascals suction power is ideal for tough debris, long hair, and even deep carpet dust. Plus, it vacuums and mops simultaneously, for a full clean with half the effort. Control everything via the app, from spot cleaning to scheduled runs. Joystick. And it's smart enough to handle transitions between hard floors and carpets, adjusting power as needed. If you want a robot cleaner that's smarter, stronger, and actually useful, the ABIR X6 won't disappoint. The Liectroux Xiaomi C30B1, also known as Leant, is like giving your home its own intelligent housekeeper. Brain. It features AI-powered map navigation, meaning it scans and memorizes your home's layout after just one cleaning. Once mapped, you can use the app to divide rooms into smart partitions, assign zones, or even create customized cleaning schedules. With 6000 pascals suction, it's incredibly powerful, perfect for thick rugs, pet hair, and heavy crumbs. What sets it apart? The electric water tank. It allows you to fine-tune how much water is used for mopping, so no wet streaks or puddles. Droplet. Plus, it works with Wi-Fi. You control everything from your phone. Start, stop, monitor, schedule, even if you're not at home. The C30B is perfect for anyone who wants precision, customization, and power, all in one smart device. From the trusted tech brand Xiaomi, the Mijia Mop 3C Plus C103 Pro is a sleek, high-efficiency robot vacuum. It offers planned path navigation, meaning it intelligently cleans every inch in straight, efficient lines. Powered by 5000 pascals suction, it's strong enough for stubborn messes but gentle enough for wood floors. It vacuums and mops in one go, using advanced sensors to avoid carpets when mopping and increase suction when vacuuming. The enhanced motor is built for longevity and optimized battery use. Best part? It integrates with the Xiaomi Home app, offering smart control for schedules, power levels, cleaning zones, and more. Compact, stylish, and tech-savvy. This one's great for Xiaomi fans who want a no-compromise cleaning experience that fits into the smart home ecosystem. If you're after reliability on a budget, the ILIFE V3X or V7s Plus is an amazing option. It's simple, effective, and built for everyday cleaning. With 120 minutes of battery life, it can handle entire floors before auto-docking to charge. This model sweeps and mops, ideal for light cleaning jobs on laminate, tile, and low-pile carpets. While it doesn't come with smart mapping, its anti-bump and anti-drop sensors help it navigate smoothly and avoid falls. There's also a remote control for manual direction and cleaning modes, no app needed. It's quiet, pet-friendly, and great for small to medium homes. If you're a first-time robot vacuum user or want a simple helper without the fancy tech, this is a great place to start. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more smart home gadget reviews.